Pump up the jam.
All of us are pumping.
Woohoo!
Under John's burn.
Girl.
So, you guys saw, got the pump reassembled yesterday. I did prime it with assembly lube, so it's going to suck really fast. Hi, Scotty.
How fast?
It's going to be like you with a twink.
Toast just makes great products.
Sure. Anyway. Oh, fuck. So, got the pump in. I did loosen here. And then I got everything lined up and started here. Put it up with the gasket. Our drive is in the bottom of the distributor.
Ooh.
It's all in, assembled, ready to go. And this is one of the reluctor style pumps, not the twin gear, which is good. Okay. These make pressure easier. They're better. They're more efficient. These are in demand, apparently. So I'm glad we have one in good shape that works.
So we have, let me get this straight now. We have something that's in demand that sucks really, really quick.
Yeah, his name's Scotty.
Every fucking guy I know of is always looking for something that's like that, in demand.
And he works here.
I do.
Anyway. So, we got, what, 2 bolts to put in the front here, Burnsy, real quick?
Yes, sir.
And we're going to put fluids in this.
Yes, sir.
And then we're going to test drive it.
Yes, sir.
And then John can come get it.
Sounds good.
Nice.
All right.
Ready?
Break.
Set.
Break!